Hi guys, welcome back to Hither TMD in O Gauge, where we are back down under again, having completed the quick whistle stop tour of the UK to visit some people that I needed to see. We are back here in the modelling room to do some modelling. Whilst in the UK, managed to get to the Mild exhibition, as you've seen in the previous video. Lots of inspirational layouts to look at, and some excellent products from various vendors available to look at and purchase there, and up and coming releases. It seems that we will be getting a small influx of Class 33s in the near future to complement number 50 here. But back on to what we are up to today on this video. The video today is about brickwork. This excellent little kit here that I bought from Steve Smith at Railway Laser Lines. It was a commission for the Hither Green Guards lobby, and it really goes together nicely. It is an excellently well made kit, and I would highly recommend Steve Smith's products to anyone that's looking. So what we are up to today is I've assembled the basic inside box. It comes into basically, so if you take the roof off, I'll just remove the walls slightly. You basically build an inside box and then you fit the walls around it, and it makes up a really good structure, and in this case the roof also fits. Line up the holes, beautifully just drops on, and with the floor as well, it's really sturdy, really solidly well made product. So what we're going to do is change of these walls into that. We're going to add the mortar. So what I've done so far is I've gone through various shades of browns, lightening up as I've gone to basically a bauxite colour on the top, blotched on, not even, because brickwork is never even, just blotched on, and adding the mortar will really make it pop. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how I'm adding the mortar, the product that I am using, and join me on the bench and I'll show you how it's done. Right, welcome back to the workbench, having cleared some space. I've actually took a while, and we can get another look. So that is the test piece that I did using what we're going to do now, and here's one of the end walls, so you can really see the difference that it makes there. So the product I'm using, there are obviously various makes and qualities of filler, but I'm using polyfiller interior small cracks. It's slightly thicker than toothpaste consistency and nice and fine, and it's quite simple. Just take my glasses off so I can see close up. So to get that, all we're going to do is take a wall. As you can see, it's quite a fine, just get a small piece of filler like that. That's all it takes, and rub it in. And that's it. That's all there is to it, and you just go around pushing it into the brick courses, and you can see, simple as that. And you just keep working. It also sands down slightly the surface, so it's going to lose a bit of the shine that I've got because of the enamel paints and things that I've used, but it just fills into the gaps in the brick courses nicely all the way around, all the corners, nooks and crannies, and then we just, oh sorry, give it a wipe off. In this case, a bit of sponge, and there we have it. So all the bricks are filled in. I'll just clean out these edges and we'll continue. Okay, one tip here is rub off at 45 degrees. You don't rub up and down or across because you'll remove the filler from the mortar courses. And just a gentle rub over, and it will lighten up slightly as it dries and turn more white. But that is all there is to it, and I think that looks really good. Just mopping out the corners. Mop it off. As you can see, it's the first one is slowly whitening up as the filler dries to match the first one that we did. Okay, I'll just leave that there to dry, and you'll see that change as time goes on. So just work it in. Rub it in nicely as you go around. It's so simple, and the effect is absolutely brilliant. But you must allow the paint plenty of drying time beforehand. But if you've used acrylics, it will just start to lift it off as it makes it wet. That in there nicely in all the joints, and inside the door frames and the window frames. And then we'll just wipe it off. Obviously this method works in all gauges where you use a MDF laser cut woodwork and brickwork and things like that, stonework, wallwork, blockwork, anything, pavements. It just works the same in all of them, so you just force in and it really makes them pop as that dries out. It's brilliant. Simple as that. Lightly rub it off the surface, again, like I say, 45-degree angle, so you're not rubbing it out of brick courses. So you don't have a big white lump. And there we go. So we'll give that 5 minutes to dry out, and I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks, because you can't really see it at the minute. We'll give it 5 minutes. Back in a sec. So there we have it. There is the brickwork all highlighted with the mortar, and I think you'll find personally anyway, that looks really good. So I'm going to assemble some of it on the body shell of the building, and then I can fill the corners the same way once it's all cured. So we'll get on with that. Okay, so it's quite simple. I've keyed with sandpaper the paint and rubbed through where the glue needs to be, otherwise it's not going to stick. And I'm just using ordinary PVA glue. What will be here all day. That little thing is perfect for gluing the window frames in. Just spread it around. Might be too much. Get rid of some of it. I reckon that'll do. I'll just lay this nicely on there. Making sure it lines up on the top and the ends. So we'll make sure that it's pushed up against the roof there. And it's in line at the ends. Which is there. And we'll put some pegs. So you don't need expensive clamps, things like that. You just get your good old garden peg. In this case, is perfect for the job. Top and bottom. And at the ends we'll use these big clamps here because I have them, and we'll leave that to dry. I'll just make sure there's no glue sticking out the end. It will make it awkward for the end piece to fit. So yeah, we'll give that this quick drying, so we'll give that 20 minutes or so, and then I shall come back and put an end on. Okay guys, so there we have the finished effect of the brickwork now that it's all on and the corners have had a little wipe over of the
the filler. So I shall just put that back on the layout and we can have another look.
Well guys, I hope that has been helpful. Any questions, information or tips that you have or would like to know about, please by all means comment in the comment section below and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. And up until the next video, enjoy your modelling and see you again soon. See ya.